Di, do pila na lang gid ka adlaw kag magabukas ng gates ang Pasihay.
Excited na kuya, damo na naman memories ang maubra. Pero lain gid no ang feelings sa first day of school.
Pero antes pa sina, may isa kita ka tradisyon nga hindi dapat pwede malimtan.
Hi, I'm Lance.
And I'm Han, and welcome to A Day in the Life Before the Bell Rings. And welcome to Brigada Eskwela 2025. Sa subong mga sinemana, you'll see taga-Pasihay everywhere, buying notebooks, fixing their uniforms, or just walking by. Asking if, ano naman ang memories ang akon mahimo subong nga school year?
But before the bell rings, Pasihay needs your help. Gusto naton nga sa pagbukas ng klase, preparado ng aton classrooms, nunsay nga malimpyo, organisado, kaganda para sa bayang bumabasa. And that's where Brigada Eskwela comes in.
Brigada Eskwela is DepEd's National School Maintenance Week, held every year to prepare public schools for the opening of classes. Not just in terms of cleanliness, but in creating a space that is safe, functional, and welcoming for every learner.
For school year 2025 to 2026, Brigada Eskwela will run from June 9 to June 13, as stated in DepEd Order Number 042, Series of 2025, and is consistent with DepEd Order Number 012, Series of 2025.
With that, we invite everyone, parents, teachers, alumni, students, or community members to share what they can, whether it's your time, your skills, or even just a little of what you have.
Donations are completely optional, but your support is truly encouraged. And it doesn't have to be money. Just simple things like old storybooks, notebooks, first aid kits, or even cleaning materials like rugs, dustpans, brooms, or trash bags will do.
And beyond materials, your time, presence, and spirit of Benian are just as valuable. Because when we come together, we prepare more than just a school. We prepare a future.
Because this year's theme reminds us,
Brigada Eskwela, sama-sama para sa bayang bumabasa. Together, we build a place where children learn to read, and through reading, they learn to dream.
So come and be part of something bigger. Be part of Brigada Eskwela.
Gani, ano pang nahulat mo? Dali dun, kag magbuligay kita!